How to create a US number with grade.com. So in today's video, basically this is what we're going to learn, how to create a US account with grade.com. So please do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more, and share this video. Ensure you drop a comment below to support for more videos like this. And Grade has an app, so we're going to download it. If you're using an Android phone, go to Google Play Store. For iOS user, go to your site and download their app. This is basically how Grade looks like. Let's go further and download it while we proceed with the registration. So please do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more. I made a video on how to get a US number, so please go and watch that video. So we have downloaded. Let's go to the registration process. So okay, let's go to registration process, and this is basically how Grade looks like. A very simple and a very good site to use and get your US account number. So what do you want to use this Grade for? So before we go into that, what country do you live? Click your country. Please don't use VPN. Grade works in every part. Don't use VPN. So your basic information, input your basic information. Now for your referral code is very, very important. Without this referral code, you will not be given access. So this is your referral code. I will drop it around the video, but K9K2Q7. For the letters, they are capital letters. Okay, K9K2Q7. I'm going to drop it around the video again for people who need to click it immediately and go for registration. So please, basic information. We are still working on basic information, very important. So create your password. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe if this is your first time, and share this video with someone. Create your password. So they have sent you a verification code to your email. Go and receive the code and put it. Your referral code is K9K2Q7. Very, very important. So create your password. Okay, from this password you create your PIN. So you are going to tell them what you want to use this Grade for. For me, I choose 3 basic things. So whatever I want to use the Grade for, go ahead and choose. You're the one that want to use it. So I've choose 3 basic things I want to use Grade for. So go ahead and choose the one. Now you have created your password. You want to create your PIN. Very, very important. They need more information about you, and they also want to secure information. So this is why you have to create your password and your PIN. The network is disturbing, so I think we will return back to create your PIN. Yes, from my end, the network is disturbing. Okay, let's return back to create your PINs. Very important. Create your PIN, set up your PIN. As we move on, your referral code is K9K2Q7. The letters are capital letters. Okay, let's continue. So this is basically how it looks like. Now I'm going to create a video on how to verify and get your US account number. We have created the account already, so please check the next video. I've made a video already. I'm posting it immediately after this, so check that video before the end of today, and you learn how to verify your account. Once you verify your account, you get your US number. You get this, how US number looks like. Okay, let me show you. This how it looks like. You get a US number. If you want to get pounds, whatever account number you want to get, you get it with grade.com. Very, very important. Thank you. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe.